This is multiplication of integers, and as you said earlier, integers are whole numbers. So, on multiplying integers, there are some rules that you must know before continuing. For example, when you are multiplying addition and addition, the answer must be a positive one. For example, 5 times 3, definitely it is 15. That's a positive. On this, it's a negative and a negative. This, it will be positive. When multiplying two signs that are the same, the answer will always be positive. E.g., negative 2 times negative 3. On this, it will be negative times negative, which is positive. So it will be 6. This is a positive and a negative. When you are multiplying two numbers with different signs, positive and a negative, the answer will be negative. For example, let's say 3 times negative 2. The answer will be negative 6. And on this, it's a negative times a positive. So the answer will be negative there. E.g., negative 3 times 2. Definitely, the answer here will be negative 6. We can go straight to examples. As long as you know these four rules, you are good to go with the topic. We have an example here. 6 times 4, everyone knows that it's a positive of 24. We have another question here, negative 6 times negative 4. As you said, when you are multiplying two signs that are the same, either positive or negative, the answer will always be positive. So here our answer will be a positive one. 6 times 4, that is 24. You can try the next one. This is 7 times negative 3. Since this 7 is positive and this 3 is negative, the answer definitely will be negative 7 times 3, that is 21. Now, on this question, we have three different integers. The first one, the second, and the third one. So, the first one is a negative 2, the second is negative 3, and this is negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 3 times negative 4. On this part, there is something that you have to know. For example, they are all negatives. So you have to count the number of negatives. This is 1, 2, and 3. So if they are odd, the number of negatives are odd, the answer will be negative. And if the number of negatives are even, the answer will be positive. So on this, since they are negative, then the answer will be negative. Since they are odd, the answer will be negative. Or you can try saying this negative times this negative, it will be positive. Now the positive times negative, it will be negative. For example, we can say negative 2 times negative 3, it will be positive 6 times negative 4. 6 times negative 4, which is negative 24, and that will be our answer there. I hope you are together up to there. You can try solving these ones. This is negative 4 times 4. This is 10 times negative 5, and this is negative 5 times negative 4 times negative 3. So you have to know one thing. This negative times positive, the answer will be negative. And on this, it's positive times negative. So the answer will be negative. So on this last one here, this is negative 5. This is negative 4, and this is negative 3. So we have three different negatives. So since the negatives are 3, which is odd, the answer will be a negative one. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.